Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful comparisons. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is based on my personal experience. On this episode, we're diving into the Fifth Third Bank versus Northern Trust debate. Which one comes out on top? We'll compare these two banking institutions to help you determine which best aligns with your financial goals. You'll find links to both Fifth Third Bank and Northern Trust in the description for more in-depth information. Let's get started with a comparison based on key features, available services, and the target customer base each bank serves. Fifth Third Bank is a well-established regional bank offering a wide array of financial services. From checking and savings accounts to mortgages, credit cards, business banking solutions, and even investment options, Fifth Third has a lot to offer. They're known for a customer-centric approach, providing competitive interest rates, a user-friendly mobile banking app, and access to a vast network of over 1,100 physical branches throughout the Midwest and Southeast. This makes Fifth Third a reliable option for individuals, families, and small businesses seeking convenience, dependability, and comprehensive financial services. Whether you're simply opening a checking account or seeking a business loan, Fifth Third Bank covers the essentials and excels at providing accessible, everyday banking solutions. Northern Trust, on the other hand, operates in a different sphere. It's a highly specialized financial institution catering primarily to high-net-worth individuals, families, and institutional clients. Northern Trust has built a reputation for its exceptional wealth management services, which include private banking, investment management, and trust services. Their strength lies in serving affluent clients with more complex financial needs, such as estate planning, tax strategies, and philanthropy. Unlike Fifth Third Bank's broader retail banking focus, Northern Trust concentrates on providing top-tier investment solutions and financial advisory services for those with significant wealth and a need for personalized financial planning. To summarize, if you're in the market for a readily accessible bank with a focus on traditional banking services, Fifth Third Bank is likely the better fit. However, if you possess substantial assets and require sophisticated wealth management services, Northern Trust, with its expert financial advisors and dedication to high-net-worth clients, is the clear winner. Be sure to check out the links in the description to explore both Fifth Third Bank and Northern Trust in greater detail and choose the bank that best suits your individual financial needs.